Hi guys, we're at Rainforest Cafe in Animal Kingdom, and I just want to take you through it. So this is actually the largest Rainforest Cafe that they have. This is our first time eating here. I'm gonna walk you through and you guys can see everything. So we have seen tigers, now we're on to elephants. Some of their animals are animatronic, which is really cool. And as most of you know, there is a rainstorm that takes place. I forget how many minutes in between.
All right with that.
Gorillas. This really is truly a really cool atmosphere. I recommend it so much. Here comes the rainstorm. This is like actual perfect time to be filming. So the monkeys are going a little crazy right now. All the animals are. On top of having all of the animatronic animals and the great atmosphere within the restaurant, you also have this really cool gift shop when you first come in. We actually really lucked out today. We did not have any reservations. So we came up to the front and we actually were told, hey, if you want to wait, we might have a spot for you in about 35 minutes. So we just enjoyed our time in this really huge gift shop. And we lucked out. It was less than a half-hour wait. I'm going to walk you guys out to this really cool area that is also at the back of the gift shop if you keep walking. This is a really neat area. So this is a great photo opportunity out here, or just a nice place to sit if you're waiting for your table. I also noticed that they're having some kind of hiring event over here, so I don't know if businesses can book some tables out here as well. What's going on over there? So there you have it. I am going to be doing a vlog on this and covering how the food was, the atmosphere, and just tell you guys a little bit more about it. And I have a lot more that will be showing throughout the day here in Animal Kingdom. Have a magical day.